Welcome back to Carverse. Today we're diving into a creation that feels more like a moving five-star suite than a vehicle. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Reborn Motorhome. Rolls-Royce, a name synonymous with elegance, prestige, and perfection, has stepped back into the luxury motorhome market with the Reborn edition. And as expected, it's redefining what road travel means. This isn't just a motorhome. It's an experience designed for royalty on the move. The exterior of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Reborn Motorhome is breathtaking. At first glance, you're greeted by the iconic Pantheon grille, polished to a mirror shine, and topped with the spirit of ecstasy that gracefully rises when the vehicle is started. The front end blends traditional Rolls-Royce sophistication with futuristic design and slim laser headlights, brushed metal trims, and a sculpted bonnet that flows seamlessly into the oversized windshield. The body is long, commanding, and elegantly proportioned, finished in a hand-polished two-tone paint that's completely customizable. Side panels feature flush doors, soft close mechanisms, and brushed aluminum accents that run the entire length of the coach. The panoramic windows are electrochromic, adjusting tint automatically for privacy and temperature control. At the rear, you'll find wraparound LED taillights, an integrated deployable deck, and a power-operated liftgate that reveals storage. Compartments for outdoor furniture and gear. Now step inside and prepare to be stunned. The interior of the Reborn motorhome is luxury at a level rarely seen on wheels. As the automatic steps extend and you're welcomed by soft ambient lighting, a fragrance diffuser releases a signature Rolls-Royce scent into the air. The flooring is solid oak with hand-inlaid detailing. The walls and ceiling are wrapped in suede, with fiber optic lights simulating a starlit sky above the main living space. The lounge area features two bespoke club chairs and a curved sofa, all upholstered in the softest hand-stitched leather. A crystal chandelier hovers above a retractable marble dining table. Hidden within the cabinetry is a 65-inch OLED display and a studio-grade surround sound system, developed exclusively for Rolls-Royce. Every feature is voice-controlled through the Spirit AI system, from lighting to temperature, media, or even the built-in espresso bar. The kitchen is fully equipped for gourmet cooking and featuring a touch-controlled induction cooktop, built-in convection oven, smart refrigerator, and even a wine cellar with humidity and temperature regulation. All appliances are wrapped in brushed gold or can be customized to match your theme. Storage is generous and elegantly hidden behind slow glide panels. In the rear suite, the bedroom offers a king-size floating bed with memory foam and active cooling. There's a 4K display mounted in a retractable cabinet, a walk-in cedar closet, and adjustable mood lighting that can be tailored to match sunrise or sunset rhythms. The starlight ceiling continues here too, with quiet motorized blinds for full privacy. The bathroom is a spa-like escape, featuring a full-sized rainfall shower with aromatherapy options, heated marble floors, a smart mirror with integrated skincare and lighting settings, and a Japanese-style toilet with all the bells and whistles. It's not just a bathroom, it's a wellness sanctuary on wheels. The 2026 Reborn motorhome is driven by a V12 twin-turbo engine paired with electric motors for a combined output of 800 horsepower. It offers seamless acceleration, whisper-quiet cruising, and a full electric range of 100 miles for short trips or eco-conscious travel. With adaptive air suspension and predictive road scanning technology, the ride is silk smooth no matter the terrain. For those wondering about autonomy, yes, it has level 3 self-driving capability on highways. The Reborn motorhome can manage long stretches of travel with minimal input while maintaining the signature Rolls-Royce silence and comfort. 2026 Rolls-Royce Reborn motorhome starts at $4.8 million, but most buyers will see final costs north of $6 million after customizations. Each unit is made to order, with fewer than 30 expected to be built globally. That level of exclusivity, craftsmanship, and innovation doesn't come cheap. But for those who want the absolute best, this motorhome isn't just a mode of travel, it's a masterpiece. Continental and stretched it into a full-sized, ultra-luxurious recreational vehicle. The result is something that looks like it rolled out of a royal motorcade and right into a 7-star hotel on wheels. Let's begin with the exterior. The 2026 Bentley Continental Mulliner, RV takes design inspiration directly from the Continental GT, but it's been reimagined with a stretched frame and elevated stature. Up front, the iconic Matrix grille remains the centerpiece, framed by crystal-cut LED, headlights and flanked by chrome-finished air intakes that help cool the powertrain and onboard systems. The body is sculpted with smooth lines and subtle curves that give it a grand, yet aerodynamic look. From the side, the Mulliner RV looks nothing like your average motorhome. It rides on 22-inch, polished alloy wheels with the classic self-leveling Bentley logo at the center. The two-tone paintwork is hand-applied and available in endless bespoke combinations, from rich British racing green with silver accents to rose gold over obsidian black. Chrome trim runs along the windows, side skirts, and rear fenders, while retractable steps and soft close cabin doors add a touch of theatrical luxury. At the back, you'll find a subtle roof spoiler, vertically stacked taillights, and a powered tailgate that opens to reveal a hidden cargo area, lined with quilted leather and deep pile carpet. There's even a deployable terrace with teak wood flooring and a motorized awning, perfect for relaxing outdoors in total Bentley style. Step inside, and you're instantly surrounded by the finest craftsmanship in the RV world. Every inch of the cabin is finished in materials, hand-selected by the Mulliner design team, including rich walnut wood veneers, diamond-stitched Napa leather, polished chrome accents, and even inlays of mother-of-pearl. The ambient lighting is customizable, and the iconic Bentley organ stop switches are present throughout, offering that familiar tactile luxury. The front cockpit is more like the helm of a yacht. A digital instrument cluster and 15-inch infotainment screen sit elegantly in the dash, featuring Bentley's custom user interface. The steering wheel is wrapped in dual-tone leather with heating, massage, and multi-function controls. Voice assistant integration and full vehicle management can be controlled via touchscreen or the Bentley smartphone app. In the lounge area, you'll find two electronically reclining captain's chairs with built-in massagers, a pull-out center console with a champagne chiller, and a 55-inch OLED screen with a Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system. Smart glass windows adjust tint automatically, and power shades give complete privacy when needed. The kitchen is compact yet exquisite, featuring Miele appliances, an induction cooktop, built-in espresso machine, smart refrigerator, and wine fridge. Countertops are polished marble, and cabinetry is custom designed in high-gloss lacquer. Toward the rear, the bedroom offers a king-size bed with a cashmere upholstered headboard, a starlight ceiling, and bespoke bedding with embroidered Bentley crests. The ensuite bathroom is pure indulgence with a rainfall shower, heated floors, gold-finished fixtures, and a vanity mirror that doubles as a smart display. Under the hood, the Bentley Continental Mulliner RV is powered by a plug-in hybrid twin-turbo V8, delivering 700 horsepower. Despite its size, it offers smooth, confident acceleration and whisper-quiet cruising, thanks to active noise cancellation and adaptive air suspension. The RV features Level 3 autonomous driving, predictive terrain response, and an all-electric range of 80 miles for zero-emissions luxury when you want it. And the price? The 2026 Bentley Continental Mulliner RV starts at around $2.9 million, with fully personalized models easily reaching over $4 million. It's not just a motorhome, it's a rolling sanctuary that brings the Bentley lifestyle to the open road. For those who demand unmatched elegance on every mile, this is the ultimate expression of freedom and refinement.